Welcome to Tech Brothers. In this video, we're going to learn how to add new file or project to source control in Team Foundation Server 2013. So let's go and do it. This is my server. I am connected with Team Foundation Server using my Visual Studio. What we're going to do is create a new project, and once we are done creating that new project using the existing template, we're going to go ahead and add that project in the source control, which is our Team Foundation Server. So I'm going to go ahead and click File, click New, click Project, and let's say that that project is C# project or Visual C++. We're gonna go ahead and it depends on your project, which project that you wanted to do that. So let's say it's a Visual C#. So I'm gonna go ahead and click Console Application, and up here I'm going to name my first C# project. This is just for the demo purposes. You have option to add right now, add to the source control, but we're gonna go ahead and create the project. And because if you add to the source control, then right here, then you need to check out in order to make changes on your local repository. Right now what we're gonna do is create our project, do whatever we need to do, and then we're gonna go ahead and add those changes to our source control, which is Team Foundation Server. So we're gonna go ahead and click OK. And it's gonna close the current solution, so we're gonna go ahead and click Yes. If you notice right here, this is my code and this is my project right here. So I can go ahead and make all the changes. All those changes will be on my local repository if you look at it right here. So this folder right here has all my project properties, reference, or whatever I do on my particular project. In order to add this, if you don't see this right here, Solution Explorer, let me hide this. So we're gonna go ahead and click on View, and you can click on Solution Explorer and it'll appear right here. So in order to add this particular project, let's say that you have built the code, you have done everything that you needed to do, and you wanted to add this to source control and add this to Team Foundation Server, we're gonna go ahead and click right click on that, and up here there's a button up right here, source control. So we're going to click on source control and add solution to the source control. So right here there are a couple options. This is the versioning option, whether you wanted to do a Team Foundation version control or you wanted to do the GIT. If you use GIT, it's a little light template, and it's going to be mostly, if you wanted to do most of the work offline on your local repository, the best way to do it is a GIT, because you can control all the branches and folders and everything you need to create before you add everything into the source control. You can do that, but I'm going to go ahead and choose Team Foundation version control, so it'll be handled by Team Foundation Server. If you click this option, you need to be connected with Team Foundation Server in order for it to check in, check out, and make changes to your particular project. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Team Foundation Server. Up here, if you always wanted to do the Team Foundation Server version, you can click use that and it won't ask you anymore, but I'm gonna leave this open, and I would suggest that you should leave that open, because sometimes you might have a project where you wanted to use the GIT version control rather than Team Foundation version control. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it can be changed later, by the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and click OK. Here is where do I want to check in, or where I want to put this project, which branch. I'm gonna go ahead and put it under main branch. You can create a new folder under branch that maybe my first C# project or whatever, your folder. You can create a folder right now here, or you can go back and right click on main branch and create folder and in there, and that folder will appear in main branch. So I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it as it is. So we're gonna go ahead and click OK, and we're gonna go in source control, and you will see right here my file is my project, or my file is gotten into the source control, which is Team Foundation Server. And I hope this video helps.